Hi, my name's Stephen Howard. I'm a former NBA player, current ESPN college basketball analyst, and leadership expert, and just completed the box workshop, and these guys are amazing. And if I could do it again, I would do it. What they give you in this 2.5-day seminar really is priceless, because they put and give you the components necessary to complete your box. You actually walk out with your box, and the feeling when they walk in there with the music blasting, smiles on their faces, and they give you that box, it's almost like a kid. And the help that they gave you, or they gave me, was invaluable, and these guys went above and beyond. Love them all. If I could recommend any more strenuously than I am right now, I would, but there are no words for that, because they're amazing. Lisa, Nicole, I think there's a couple Lisa, my man, Abel, all of them are amazing, and I can't wait to come back to do my next box. I got about 3 of them, and there's no other place that I will go. You can book that, mark it down. These guys are amazing. Thanks.